my channel. Before we begin, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more future videos from us. In today's video, we'll be talking about multiplication. What is multiplication? Wow! Multiplication is where you take one number and add it together a number of times. For example, 5 times 4 equals 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. This is an example of multiplication. Firstly, we took the number 5 and added it together all times. This is why multiplication is sometimes called times. So, whenever you see this times symbol, remember, it always indicates multiplication. Let's try another one. 5 times 3. Instead of the number 5 in this equation being multiplied by 4, it is multiplied by 3 because it is 5 times 3. You must remember that the second number is always where you multiply the first number by. This is called a multiplier. Let's work this out. 5 times 3 equals 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Another way we can be able to solve all problems up to 144 is by using a multiplication grid, which luckily I have here. This is what we call a multiplication grid. But first, here are a few examples of single-digit multiplication, which you can try. So, this is what you call a multiplication grid, and it's all your times tables up to 12. You can also find many multiplication grids on Google, but this specific one will be available on our future website. Using this multiplication grid, we can be able to identify the two key numbers which are being multiplied together and find out our answer. For example, in this multiplication grid, we can be able to find out the answer to 12 times 10. First, we need to highlight the number we are multiplying by, which in this case is 12 and 10. Now, once both of our numbers are highlighted, we want to look for where the lines cross, which is at 120. So, 12 times 10 equals 120. Here are my examples using a multiplication grid. Let's see what you've learned today. If you got full marks, email us at educationisfun056@gmail.com, where we check our inboxes every day. Well guys, thank you for viewing this video and I hope your child has taken something from this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our future website soon to be launched. Thank you, stay safe and go further with learning. Bye, see you next time.